Hello friends, welcome in the 46th sketchware tutorial of my channel. In this tutorial I show you that how to create a degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius converter in Sketchware. So at first I'm creating an app Celsius Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm not making it large. Here is the linear edge of this app. Here is the text view, and then here is to edit texts. One, here is another, and here is our text view. So after that, here is an app, another linear edge. Here is another linear edge. Here is a button. Here is a button, and here is another button. So here we have to set the button width match parent, and here is the text calculate. We will calculate by this button 20 sp. Here the button is of resetting the values, text size 20 sp, and here is the button for going back from the app, or I should give it exit. Okay, text size 20 sp. So here the text view gravity must be center, and the text view must be Fahrenheit Celsius converter. The text size I am giving 20 sp. Okay, now here the text I am giving equals, and the text size must be 25 sp and 25 sp, and this is 20 sp. Okay, everything is okay now. So here what we have to do is to give the gravity center. Now what we have to do is to set the edit text hint, enter value, actually, and this is also enter value. So okay, now set the input type number sign number decimal, and here must be number type number decimal. The IME option must be normal. Okay, now here you see this is the button 2. Actually this is the button 2. Now another thing I want to say you that we have to give another linear edge here. Okay, now this is here. Now we have to set here another button, and here we must not write calculate, we have to write C to F, and here I am writing F to C, which means Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, 20 sp. Now here you see this is the button 2, this is the button 2. Now on the event button 2 on click, at first create new two variables, number variables C and F. Okay, now at first set this code here. Now give these following codes. If not, here you see, here is the view. So we may give here the code, entire code actually. So here you see, here is the code. At first on the if else, I want to show you this one by one. So at first give this, and then give this here, and then give here this, typing here 0, then give the length of, and then give the length of and then give the this block, and then give the length of block. After that set here toast and toast wrong and text view edit text 2 here is given. Now we have to see that if this is edit text 2, this is the edit text 1. So for this we have to set here edit text 1. Now after that on the else, what we have to give, toast here wrong value, and then in the text 1 set text nil, then set these codes, set Celsius Fahrenheit to number, text view get text, and get text, and in the Celsius set F to here is the codes, set F to we have to set the F to at first the plus component plus 32, and then the by 5, and then the 9 into C, and then on the text view, and then on the edit text 2, and then on the edit text 2 set text F to decimal format 0.0. okay, now this is the button 4. Now button 4 on click, set this code there. At first the edit text 2 here must be toast wrong value, and then on the edit text 1, on the edit text 2 set text nil, on the edit text 2 actually. Now this is the Fahrenheit, this is the Celsius, to number, edit text 2 get text, and here it is 9 not, it is 5 into C by 9, and here is a change. We have to give this operator R minus 17.78. Okay, now set C set here F and set here C to decimal format on the edit text one. Okay, everything is okay here now. Now one thing to watch. So here is the wrong thing here. This is must be edit text 1 and this is edit text 2, and on the button 2 this is edit text 1 and this is edit text 2. Okay, now on the this is the button 1. Button 1 on click, text view set text. Edit text 1, edit text 2 nil, and on the exit button 3 on click, give this finish activity. Okay, now everything is okay here. Now I am running the app. Please wait a while. This video is large actually, for my fault, and sorry for this. So here I am setting 20 C to F68. Now if I give here 38 F to C 3.3. So if we want to convert F to C, then we have to type here. If you want to convert C to F, then this is to this, and if I tap reset, it is gone, and if I tap exit, then here is the app. So thank you for watching these videos. Please see our videos of our channel, Sketchware tutorials. Thank you.